Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install the Albert app. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. To download the app, search for it on Play Store or App Store. Then click on Get. Once downloaded, click on Open. On this screen you will see an option for Login. Click on Login. Now, select how you wish to log in, either via email or phone. In this video, I'm going to log in using my email. To verify your identity, enter the code sent to you. Now, set up your account. Click on Let's Go. To get expert insights from Albert Genius via text, you could save their number. To proceed, click on Continue. Once it is added, this pop-up window will appear. Click on OK. It will also ask you if you wish to receive an alert when cash-in is available. Click on the option you wish to select. That's how you download and install the Albert app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.